Three, two, one. Hello everyone. Today is what it is. Today is Tuesday. So yeah, look at this. Whatever I have said, it happens to the perfection. That is the reason we have came over here, and I'm recording this video. The timer is on, shooting is on. So let's see where today is Tuesday. Very high probability that we are going to take the trade today, and this is not the trade I have to. I just keep the risk to reward ratio just to see that this is not going to work because I was just doing a practical over here, and that is the reason. This is just nothing. I was knowing that this is going to happen, so yeah. Um, odd USD. So today we are going to take the trade on the odd USD, and here we go. I certainly guarantee that this trade is going to win. Guarantee. This trade is going to win. I am giving 100% guarantee. You know why? Because I know this is going to work. This thing is going to work. Even weekly is also saying the same thing, and this is going to work like anything. So now what I am waiting for, I am waiting for the 4 hours candlestick to come and weak into EMA. Once that happens, then we can able to take the trade tomorrow or today. Most probably today we'll get the setup in the evening, like 6:30 or 7:30 in New York session. But this is going to happen. The perfection. I'm saying about this. And I'm literally saying before it's going to happen. Okay? Because I know it is going to happen. This confidence I am. So I'm just waiting for what I'm waiting for the candlestick to come, touch this EMA, and even if it touch to this box, that will be good. Then we'll be taking the buy trade to the upside, and the risk to reward ratio is going to be phenomenal. You won't even believe it is. This thing is going to be awesome. Okay, so you odd USD is only the trade which we are looking, but other trades are also getting cooked. GBP cat, which I have in morning only. I have organized this, so temporary excluded, which is either the trade happens on that currencies or I'm just lost the interest because now on GBP cat I am waiting for the candlestick to come. I will just delete this. Okay, I'm waiting for the candlestick to come and touch this box. We can increase this box if we can let it be. I want this candlestick to come down, okay, up till here. But the issue is it will create the lower low and then it will be lower high. Then it will be not that probable to take the buy trade. So that is the reason I lost the interest in this currency. We'll look into it once it comes, and once it shows the price action which I wanted, then that will be good. Or Euro NZD. I have literally said about this in yesterday in the morning only when it was creating this candle. This candle it was creating. I have said in front of you all guys that this is going to create this type of red candle. And guess what? It created that red candle, which have created a very big candle. I was not expecting that. I was expecting just a small this size of candle, but it created this big size. So I just lost interest because now I want this candle to come over here and then push to the downside, which is coming up over here. The probability of coming up is very low, is like 20%. So that is the reason it is just going to melt down. Okay, it is just going to hit to my take profit. That means I have predicted this. I have said this is going to go down, and guess what? In front of you guys, it is going down. And that is why I'm saying I am god of market. Whatever I say, it happens. The only thing is how I wanted it to happens, then I can take the trade. That is the only thing which I look for. So I just want this to come up here. If it comes, if this candlestick come up here, then we can take the trade. I don't think so. It is going to come up. It is going to go down. Can we take the trade now? Most probably, I don't know. Very less probable. I will just delete this box. If it is going to come up, it is also going to weak into the 4 hours EMA. This is going to be high probable if it is going to come up. Also daily EMA. I just want this to come up. We'll see. Okay, I don't think so. It is going to come up. It is just going to hit or take profit, and that is it. We could easily, like, this is how I'm missing money on this trading. Okay, I'm predicting the trades, and the trades is happening as per my prediction, but I am not in that trade, so that is the reason I am missing the trade. I'm missing the trades. Why? Because the trade is not doing the things which I wanted to take the trade. Rest, the prediction is correct. I could easily, like, this is also the good entry point. Right here is also the good entry point once this engulfing candle is done. Like, this is a, what is evening star pattern, but I was not interested to take the trade because I was waiting for the daily candlestick closure. The recording is on, right? Yeah. I was waiting for the daily candlestick closure, which happened, but it just pushed it downside, which is not good. Euro JPY, the next. So now in Euro NZD, I'm just waiting for a price to come up here, and then we'll look into it. CHF JPY, it just it does create the things which I wanted, but this is what I'm saying. It does create the things which I wanted, but not the way I wanted. I was looking to create the candlestick. This blue candle, I wanted to close below this box, which haven't closed below this box. So that is the reason I haven't took sell trade. If I took sell trade, I would be able, like, how I can say in English, I would hit my stop loss. That is the reason I won't take the trade. So now guess what? The candlestick close above this box. It is going to go up. It is going to go up. We could easily take the buy trade, but I don't want to. That will be, like, going out of the discipline. It's not good. The next is, so CHF JPY. I'm just lost the interest. I'm not interested in this currency. So yeah. And CAD JPY, the same thing, same thing. Now in CAD JPY, can we take the trade to the buy side? Not really, not really. Tomorrow, maybe tomorrow. That will be the day trading if we look into it. But yeah, tomorrow we can take the trade. But I want this. I mean, once this candlestick close over here, then the next candlestick is going to get formed, and it is going to come up till here, and then it is going to push to the upside. That is going to, very high probability that is going to happen. So yeah, my bias was to sell, but it haven't happened to the way I wanted. That is the reason I have avoided the loss of perfection in this currency. Look at this. This candlestick close in the box which I was not looking into. I wanted this candlestick to close below this box. Guess what? If this closed in the box, gone up. And this is some small, very small things you guys neglect. That is the reason you do loss. That is the only reason you do loss. That one piece of puzzle you just need to join, and that is it. And guess what? I am thinking to launch my trading mentorship, not for $1 million. I mean, $1 million is huge. No one in the whole world is charging the trading mentorship for $1 million. I want to go crazy. I'm thinking to charge the $100 million for my trading mentorship, where I I mean I fly to their place and stay there until they don't make money in from trading. That's a guarantee. That right there is the huge thing. So an NZDUSD again the NZD I wanted this candlestick to close below this box. It haven't closed below this box. So that is the reason it is going to go up. Can we take the buy trade? Not really. Not really. It's better to stay away from such type of currencies. Like we can take the buy trade once it touch to this EMA, this candlestick to come up here. We'll see. Look, we'll see. Yeah, it is also going to be 4 hours EMA. We can buy this, but that will be a low probability. It can go for intraday, intraday. Um, but see, brother, this week there like in this currency in NZUSD this week there will be no trade for the downside, but I can see what I can see right now that it is getting ready for having the trade in the next week. That means that is what I'm saying. Just the December month was the empty month, but now as the January started, we are getting trades on trades on trades easily. If like imagine this is so simple. This thing is super simple. So yeah, this is what it is. And NZUSD, can we take the trade? Also, yeah. Also, I'm going to go all for. I'm going to analyze. I'm going to do the analysis of for the intraday as well. This can go for intraday. NZUSD come back for intraday. I'm shortling is for intraday. I'm just waiting for this and then this. Okay. I will just delete these boxes. Uh, 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 this is not going to matter now. I'm just waiting for this to happen. Create the higher low, brother. I just want this to create the higher low. That's it. So again, recheck CHF JPY. Can we take any trade? Not really. Not now. At least not for now. I just want the daily candlestick closer. So I will just delete these boxes because this candlestick haven't closed the way I wanted. That is the reason it is not doing the things which I wanted. That is how I avoided the loss to the perfection. And you guys are not avoiding the losses. You're just doing the losses. That is the reason you are not profitable. So I want this candlestick to close the way and then the next candle to open, retrace, at least retrace to over here, and then we can push to the upside. This is what I wanted, basically. That's it. I mean, this thing is super super simple. I'm not gonna lie. This is the most simplest thing ever. Simplest thing. Now there is a very very high buying pressure is there. This is what I want. I mean, today at least today there is no trade over here. Intra. What is this? Let's take this down. I want this to come over here and then push to the upside, create the higher low. CHF JPY will take this CAD JPY tomorrow, not today. I just don't want to get messed up. Um, CHF JPY is actually ahead than the CAD JPY. That is the reason we can predict what is going to happen in the CAD JPY. It's basically simple thing. CAD JPY is about to go up and CHF JPY is already gone up. It is so simple. So there is no trade in the CHF JPY for intraday. I'm just checking for intraday currencies. Can we have anything? If it is comes up and then push to downside, but the 10 daily will come up. Wednesday Thursday maybe yeah, basically I want this to come up here, but when? That's the main question. Let's see. At least not for today. It is not going to come up. At least not for today. So we'll analyze it tomorrow's. GBP CAD, huh? We can take this trade, man. I mean, to the downside in intraday thing. Once a engulfing candle closes to downside below this candle, we can easily sell this. Because it has to come to the downside. What is GBP CAD, right? Still is this line because I just can't see the price action, man. Let's short this as well. If it is going to come down, the recording is on, right? Oh my god.
It's
The way
11
I'm looking,
o'clock.
I must be sitting like this, right? The fan, welcome fan. Yeah, I must be sitting like this. I'm started looking good now. I must be wearing these glasses. That will be swaggy. Yeah, recording is on. That will be awesome if happens. That will be lower high. Yeah, brother, this looks beautiful. I like this. GBP CAD for taking the day to the downside within 27 minutes, huh? Now the swing trading thing analysis for swing trading. I'm just waiting for odd USD. Now this is the GB. Oh shit. Ah, am I going to die? So GBP CAD. I think so. It is going to. Yeah, it is. It is going to come down. So I just want this engulfing candle to close. Once that engulfing candle close, then we'll be having the 1 hour engulfing candle. Then we can easily come to take profit over here. It will also yeah. This looks super phenomenal. Bearish, bullish. This is the high right. This is the higher low. I mean, uh, this is the higher. Yeah, basically, I want this. Wait. I want this to close below. Now this is, oh my god, look at that. This is the what I'm saying, brother. This looks beautiful. I mean, I'm going all in, brother, in this. But no, I'm not taking this trade. I'm not taking this exact trade on the what it is, on the 1 lakh dollars. I'm just taking the this trade on the $5,000. So GBP CAD is what I like. I mean, I will just take this intraday thing upside. Oh my god. Huh. So I'm just waiting for 30 minute. Is it going to do this? Mm-hmm. So 4 hours, 1 hour. I want this candlestick to close like this, and the next candlestick to close like this, and the next candlestick like this. I can easily sell it right now, but that will be not good. We don't have the confirmation. We must be having the confirmation. The confirmation will be like the closing the candle below this box. So I want this candlestick to close like this, and then next candle to close like this. That will be create a beautiful lower high, but then it will be not be closing. I mean, now this is time game. Mm, either or. I'm just waiting for the candlestick closer over here. Mostly 1 hour, 1 hour, because I wanted to have the high confirmation. So mostly 1 hour candlestick to close below this line. So I will just take this. That right there is only it. I mean, I can sell it right now. I mean, I can sell it right now, but no, I want to have the confirmation. I just can't sell it right now. No. This is also lower high. This is also the lower high. This. Yeah, there is no lower high. Yeah, we can't take the risks. We need to have the 1 hour candlestick closer below this box, then we can take the trade. Instead, we just can't take the trade. That's it. So GBP CAD is cooking. Will be getting ready within 24 minutes. NZD USD. Can we take the trade on NZD USD as well? 4 hours. Wait. Let me see the clear picture of NZD USD. NZUS is about to go up, so selling this currency is not good. I mean, still this is we can do the intraday right there. This is like if this candlestick close below this candle, this thing is going to come down. Uh, we can have the intraday, but for 23 minutes is not going to do anything. It is just going to do like this. Yeah, brother, like a take profit is super good. Wait. Mm, I mean, I literally can see what is going to happen, man. Like, I got so good in trading. This thing is huge. I'm not gonna lie, brother. I'm just not gonna lie. This candlestick has to weaken to this EMA. That is a has, and then it is going to push to the upside. We can take this advantages to do this because it is also going to weaken to this CMA. I mean, yeah, there is very chances to make money in this currency. 15 minute. How about 15 minute? Okay, 15 minute. Yeah, done. The NZU is also getting ready for taking the sell to the downside. You can easily target this, but the only question is, do we have the risk to reward ratio? If we do have the risk to reward ratio, then we can be a profitable. If not, then we don't. I was just checking this Haikanashi. The Haikanashi, I don't think so. It doesn't make sense. Previously, I was using the Haikanashi, but now I just don't. So for 21 minutes, we'll wait. This candlestick to close below. Once this candlestick close below, then we can take this sell trade right there. And see, this is like a intraday. This is not. I'm not going to take this for the $100,000 account because that is the account which I'm using for swing trading. I want to I want to convert myself from swing trading to day trading because from in swing trading we get the only like three opportunities in a whole week. So we are capped for how much we will be earning. So I want to I know that I can understand market super clearly. So what if I use this higher time frame information in the lower time frame information the way I'm using right now? We can easily improve our like increase our profits, right? So within 20 minutes we'll be having the trade in this. I will yeah. Let me set the alarm for 20 minutes. Set an alarm for 20 minutes.
I've set an alarm for 20 minutes from now.
But okay, so brother, this candle like this is going like yeah, we'll be having a take profit the highest high. I mean the take profit and stop loss. I need to look into it, but as of now, I think so. It is will be good, and then this is going to come down. I want the candlestick closer below this candle. Once that happens, then we'll be targeting this. We do have the risk to reward ratio good. So GBP CAD NZUSD is cooking. USD. See, look at this. Like this is going. I mean, we can see this. This is odd USD and this is NZD USD. Both have the USD at the end. If odd USD is going to go down, NZ USD is also going to go down. Look at this. This is going to go down. This needs to come down. NZ USD is also going to come down, which is so. I mean, market is like market is giving us hint, and this is it is what it is. So I just want to confirm once again that the excluded currency we don't have any trades in the excluded currencies. Um, basically, do we have trade in this? Can we? Mm, we can, but no. We don't. CHF nah. CHFJPY is not looking good, and yeah, no. There is no other currency, so this is excluded. So we do have these two opportunities in this. We're just waiting for this 18 minute 18 minute for candlestick closer over there, and NZUSD this candlestick to close over there. That is within 18 minutes. Okay, so within 18 minutes we will be searching for other currencies that we can have the trading for the intraday, not for swing. Swing is already done. Swing is for odd USD. Swing means taking the one or three trade maximum in a whole week. Day trading is taking one to two trades per day. That's it. So, how about this Euro USD? Yeah, this is going to come up, man. This is going to close over here. It has to. Then it will create a doji and it is going to push to downside. So this thing is going to come up. We can easily take this trade from here to here. Uh, 4 hours, 4 hours, 4 hours got bullish. Once we have that in, man, this looks beautiful, man. Oh yeah, yeah. I mean, this is what. Holy shit! I got so good in trading, man. I mean, this is my second or third time I'm checking the market for no, not second. Previous week I tried my intraday predictions, which happens to the perfection. So now I can literally see what is going to happen. Literally, look at this. I want this 4 hours to engulf candle within 16 minutes. It's not possible. I think so. If it is not possible, but it is what it. Yeah, it is not possible. So I just want for us to have the engulfing candle. I just want the candlestick close below above this candle. Once that happens, we'll be getting the 1 hour shift of structure. I want shift of structure over here. Then we'll retrace and then we'll go up up till here. 30-minute will be having the shift of structure like anything. This is like wow. And then we'll be having the EMA retracement. Once this goes up, then we'll be having the EMA. EMA will come up here, and then we can buy easily over here. I like this currency. Euro USD, you are coming into my intraday. But now we need to wait for a little bit more in Euro USD. Not now. See, just because of we are waiting for the confirmation. Look at the drawdown. We have avoided the drawdown. I just want this candlestick look close above this candle on 1 hour. So either at 11:30 or 12:30. That's it. This is awesome, man. This is awesome. Like wow. So actually, we'll continue to type this down over here to um 1 hour to go bullish. I'm looking for buy intraday. Intraday. So over here on NZD I'm waiting for 1 hour to have the engulfing candle. 30-minute to shift of structure. This is awesome, man. This is awesome. 1 hour. 1 hour to engulfing candle. 30-minute and 15-minute shift of structure to the downside. We're looking for sell, probability is high. It is totally day trading. Day trade. That right there, this is not what we want. Even this. Waiting time, we'll just ignore this. So 15 minutes. We have 15 minutes in our hand. Okay, all pairs. Will you just wait for a minute? Break time. Timer. MER of 3 minutes. Here we go, brother. Wait for 3 minutes.
ನಮ್ಮ ಕುಕಿಂಗ್ ಚಾನೆಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮ ಮಾಡುವ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಶಾವಿಗೆ ಪಾಯಸದ ಸೀಕ್ರೆಟ್ ಏನು ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣವಾ?
ನಾನು ಮಾಡುವ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಪಾಯಸದ ಸೀಕ್ರೆಟ್
ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಮೇಡ್.
ಈ ಹಬ್ಬಕ್ಕೆ ನೆಸ್ಲೆ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಬಳಸಿ ಶಾವಿಗೆ ಪಾಯಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ರಿಚ್, ಕ್ರೀಮಿ ಮತ್ತು ಅಮೇಜಿಂಗ್. From Nestle.
Yeah, wait for it. Recording is on, right? Recording 33 minutes, yeah. Wow, I'm back in time. Shit, battery. On this phone, the video is getting edited, as you can see. It is what it is, brother. So yeah, let's get back. Bar. So we're back again. The recording is on. 36. This. Our screen is getting shared. Beautiful. All right. Within 9 minutes, we'll be having the trade in this. I mean, we do have the three currencies that we can take the trade, but yeah, we'll just shuffle. Okay, quickly shuffle, not slowly. Quickly. So not interested. GBP odd. Um, what it is? I'm really not interested in this. Euro JPY. Can we? Not at all. Odd cat. Oh, odd cat looks that it is going to come down. Oh my god, we can sell this. We can sell this. Now this is going to be created doji, so our take profit must be lower. We'll be having the odd cat, right? Anything, any other currency? Yeah, JPYs are up, going up. Odd cat. Odd. This is going to create a doji, so this is going to engulf. So we can take this sell trade within 8 minutes. Higher low. I mean, I like on first go, but now I am not liking it. On a first go, it looks so good, but once I go down, it doesn't look good. I mean, I know this is going to go to the downside. I know, I just know about this. I mean, this is going to create the whole engulfing candle like anything. And the next day, it is going to create like this and it is going to pump down. And then at the ending, it is going to push the down, upside. It's going to create the doji on the weekly. I mean, you can ask, like, how you even know? Because I know. The main thing I know. It's got so beautifully bearish. I mean, we can sell this. Okay. This will be our take profit. No, this is stop loss. This will be our take profit. Nah, take profit doesn't even make sense. This is the intraday. We need to have the lowest take profit possible. Uh, how about this? How about this? We're gonna have to get out quickly as possible, like 1:2. I mean, this looks good. If it is going to come up and touch the EMA, it will also create a lower high on 30-minute. I would love if it is going to create a lower high on 30-minute. Within after 6 minutes, it is going to close, and the next it is going to come up, which is going to create a lower high on 30-minute, because it has to fluctuate the way I'm saying. Going to create the lower high, and then we can easily can take the sell trade. Man, this is also good. The 15-minute will get bullish, and once 15-minute get bearish, we can take the sell trade to the downside. But if it is going to come up over here, then the 1 hour will also have the engulfing candle, which is not good. And this is like a messy trade. Tomorrow it is getting tomorrow it is getting prepared for going to a downside. I mean, today also it can go. It is going to fill this wick. We need to take that quick decision because only 5 minutes is remaining. So after 5 minutes, then in 1 hour, it's going to do this in 30 minutes, 15 minutes. Alright, boys, my decision is done. I want this. Yeah, I want this 30-minute candlestick to close over here. That's it. If I get that, done. We're in. No, that's too big, and this is sell probability. I don't give a damn. I don't even read now. Read that now. Probability risks. Somewhat I read. Day trade. Looking for sell. What I want is 30-minute. 30-minute candle closer on EMA. That's all I want. Then 15 minutes to get bearish. Of course, that's the thing. Without that, we can't take the sell trade. I mean, I just wanted to keep it simple, super simple. Oddcat, I'm interested in you. Oddcat. About Euro USD. We only have 4 minutes. I mean, 3 minutes to cover up whatever trades we are going to take quickly as possible. Okay, this is going to go down. This thing is going to go down, but where are we right now? Man, this Mac is so good. It is so simple to use the mouse. And this is so buttery smooth. To do the trading, I mean, to not trading, because I don't trade on the laptop. To do the analysis, this is the best thing you can ever get. Not get, you can ever have. Not interested. I mean, this is like messy. Euro GBP, huh? Euro GBP. This thing is going to go down. That's true. That is there. But it already came down. That is the retracement process. I mean, if it is going to have the candlestick closer over here, then it is going to go down, which is so going to weak into this EMA. No, weak into this candle and it's going to push her downside, but how much? The reaction is going to come from here, man, because it's the lowest point. This is going to get break. Wow, how about weekly? Oh my goodness, this is like the lowest. I mean, end of the move. This candlestick is going to close over here, so we can easily take the sell trade. Look, this is what I'm saying. With the day trading using the same strategy, we're getting a lot of opportunity. That means we are having potentials to make a lot more money than the swing trading. Even though we lose half of the time, that will be making a lot of money, like anything. Like, you can't even imagine how much. So yeah, this is what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for. Okay, 1 minute is remaining. Euro GBP. I'm just. It needs time. So GBP CAD. Let's go on GBP CAD. Something options came, right? Okay, for 1 minute is remaining, brother. Yeah. I want this candlestick to close like this. And then the next candle is going to push it down. So that will be the most high probable. That will give me the more confidence to, like, have the prediction that it is going to go down. So right now, and we can literally take the sell trade now. But I don't want to risk. I wanted to be disciplined. I want other time frames to get bearish, even though I know this is going to happen. 20-minute alarm is done. We can easily take this, man. Like, wow. This is the high, this is the high low. We get about below the EMA. This is the beautiful lower high. I mean, I can take the sell trade easily, man. This is the stop loss, not this much. This is the stop loss, this is the take profit. This is going to come down, man. I know this is going to come down. I just know it. I want this candlestick to close like this. Within 2 seconds, 1 second, done. And the next candle is going to go down. That is there. Okay, that right there is going to happen. It's going to pump like anything. Look at the price action, man. It is just the way I want it. How about 5 minute? This thing is what we should be looking for taking a sell trade. We can sell right now over here, but I will not take the sell trade. I will just be disciplined for waiting for 15 minutes to go bearish. So let's pretend that took the sell trade. This is our stop loss. Let's pretend that we took this trade now. We'll see, are we going to be in a profit or are we going to be in loss. But this is like I haven't took any trade right now. I'm just looking because I know this is going to push to downside, so I want to check it. Okay, I just don't want to risk money right now, at least, because this thing is beautiful, man. This will, if when the candle close below this box, then yeah, then I can give 100% guarantee that is going to go down. Right now, yeah, right now the guarantee is 90%. I know this is going to go down. So let's pretend it. I'm going to miss money on the table a lot, but I'm feeling like to take the trade now. But I have to control it, because taking the trade now is not good thing. Taking the trade after candlestick closure is the good thing. Break, retest, this EMA will come down. That will the high probable. I don't want to take the low probable trade. That's the thing. I'm not going to take. How about NZUSD? Have we have we got bearish? No, we didn't got bearish. 30 minute is still bullish. 15 minute, yeah, 15 minute is also still bullish. So we do have almost 30 minutes in our hand. Even 1 hour I haven't done the things which I wanted. 4 hours haven't got engulf. Daily, this is going to come down. That's there. I will wait for the 4 hours engulfing candle to be make sure. Right? Once it get bearish, 15 minute and 30 minute will get bearish. The 1 hour will also have the engulfing candle to the previous candle. The 4 hours will also have the engulfing candle. This right there is the most high problem. Okay. Yeah. So now, right now, for next 4 hours maybe. Wait, let me check again. 4 hours engulfing candle, that will be good, or if the doji will be good. I want 30 minute and 50 minute to get bearish with 1 hour engulfing candle. That will be the toppest thing. GBP, look at this, man. I am literally doing every single thing in front of you, but I just don't want to. Just don't want to mess up. It is what it is. It is what it is. I mean, I'm not here to make money. I'm here to do prediction. If I can do the prediction perfectly, then I can make money in long term. Okay, and that right there is the game plan. If even if it is going to come down, and that is what it is going to happen, and I haven't took the straight. That means I lose the money. I lose not lose money. I lose the profit which was going to come. It is what it is, brother. I mean, we're gonna have like I am not here to make money. I'm here to do prediction. If I can predict, I can make it. Right? Look at that. Look at that. It is what it is. I want this candlestick to close below. That right there is what I'm waiting for. OddCAD. Yeah, what we were waiting for OddCAD? 30-minute candlestick closer on the EMA, which haven't happened. No trade. Euro USD is doing. I want this. Let's go on. We done the OddCAD, right? Where is Euro USD OddCAD? Euro odd. It is. It is what it is. I'm not here to make money. I have to repeat it again. Yeah, the fear of missing out is there. That's the feeling, but that feeling is not going to affect me because I be disciplined. Okay, discipline is what I want. I'm waiting for the candlestick closer below the box. I will wait for that, even though if I'm going to miss money, fear of missing out. Yeah, that feeling is going to come, but I will not let that feeling to take the decision which I should not be taking. Right? Euro GBP. Not interested at all. No, I mean I kind of lose interest cause it haven't created the lower high. I mean GBP USD. Why in the world this got bearish? Next week we will be having the very beautiful buying over here. Very beautiful alert on GBP CAD. Look at that. GBP CAD about to hit take profit. About to hit take profit. Look at that. Wow. Wow. I miss. Let's talk about money now. How much I miss. Look at that. I have predicted in front of you. Look at that. If we talk about money, how much I miss now? Because yeah, I want to make myself jealous. On $5,000 account, I have missed almost $480 and $100,000. If I will be taking the trade on $100,000, that will be like 8 116 1 lakh 1,600, which is like a 1,45,000 I miss within like how much within 10 minutes I could easily make this. It is what it is, brother. That's right there. You're gonna have to accept this, man. This was so beautiful. I have literally talked about this, but I haven't took. You know why? Because it haven't closed below. Now it is going to close below. Now we can easily have the very high probable trade. That was not the high probable trade. Okay, that is the reason I haven't took, but it was going to happen, man. It is what it is. It is what it is. All is well. Fuck. Fucking miss it. But it's complete. I'm okay for missing. I'm here to just to predict. I gonna have to say this only. So within 20 minutes we'll be getting the beautiful trade in 20 minutes. Is it or 50 minutes? Do I should I wait for the 1 hour candle closer, or should I wait for the 30-minute candle closer, or should I wait for the 15-minute candlestick closer? This this is doing the things which I wanted. Even it is coming to the entry price. I just don't want to get messed up with this. I will follow the plan, but man, I have predicted this in front of you guys. Is recording? If there is no recording on, it's messed up. But it is what it is. Sticking to your plan is the most important thing, because some time you will make money, for some time you will lose money if you don't follow the plan. Okay, so oh, recording is on 44. Yeah, I will be waiting for 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour. I will be waiting for the 1 hour angle, 1 hour candlestick closer. If 1 hour candle close, I will be waiting for 1 hour candlestick closer. Once 1 hour candlestick closes like this, then I will be taking the trade. That right there is the game plan. It has came to our entry point, which we could easily can take the trade to the downside, but I don't want to. I will wait for the 1 hour candlestick closer, even though if I miss this trade, even though if it is going to push to downside with this 1 hour, and if I miss the trade, I'm completely okay. So in NZD USD, I'm, I'm waiting for this candlestick closure. Okay, I'm waiting for this 30-minute candlestick closure. No, I'm waiting for 4 hours engulfing candle, because if 1 hour candlestick close like this, it will create the higher low to go up, which is kind of weird. So I will be waiting for 4 hours engulfing candle to have the confirmation. I can't take the trade without confirmation. Now this is how I do trading on the higher time frame. Maybe in a lower time frame, the confirmation, waiting for confirmation is going to miss me a lot of opportunities, and that's how that's how maybe it works. But yeah, look at it. Literally comes to our entry point where we were going to sell this. Look at that. Look at that. Now, yeah, of course, I will. I literally missed this. So now, yeah, this feelings is going to come, but we're gonna have to tell us that what are we waiting for. We're waiting for the 1 hour engulfing candle. Once this happens, then we can take the trade. Else we just can't take the trade. That's it. Super clear. No fear of missing out. Yeah, brother. Because the account I'm handling is very small account. It's $1 lakh. What if I'm handling the $1 million account? Hmm? And if I'm fear the missing off right now like this, I won't be able to take the trade and make the right decision. So I'm training myself. Okay, what about Euro? We look into. I just. This is going to go down, man. I know this is going to go down. So want this candlestick close below this candle, then it is going to go. Nah. This is going to go down, but that's a low probability if it is coming over here, and then if I see this pattern, this is going to go down. But now I'm not interested. Euro GBP. Ooh, I have predicted this to perfection, man. I mean, I just can't take the trade now because I want this price to come up here. Then I will be taking the trade. What is the probability of it is going to come up? Wait, let me check. It has already came up here, and the thing is done on the daily. It is going to go down now. Either we take the sell trade now or either we miss the profit. But I don't want to sell very lowest low. Sorry, not interested. GBP USD. How about GBP USD? This thing is going. Oh, this is going to go up. I mean, yeah, this thing is going to go up. That is why we got the daily engulfing candle. But daily is bearish, which is this thing is weird, you know. This thing is weird. This thing is going to go up, but then why this pattern is getting formed? Now this is like confusing. Sorry, I'm not interested in this currency. Not interested. Man, look at this. This is so weird. We should avoid these currencies to take the buy trade. Again, the weird stuff. USJPY. All the JPYs are just pumping up. Something happens or what, I don't know. EuroCAD. How about EuroCAD? Can we take the trade on EuroCAD? This must go up. This must go up because it haven't created a new leg. It must go up. Once this daily candles close like this, then the next candle is going to go up. It's creating the higher low right now. But it doesn't look good on the things which it does looks good on lower time frame. Yeah, it does looks good on lower time frame. So consolidation, Doji, this. You know what? See, what I want is this candlestick to close like this, the next candle to close like this, blue candle, and then once this candle, even if it is gone up, I will be interested. Then the next candle is going to be one more blue candle, and this blue candle will be buying. I want this blue candle confirmation because I can take the trade now for the buy side. Not now, actually. I will be waiting for the 1 hour to go bullish, close above this candle. But same thing. I will wait for the confirmation. If I don't have the confirmation, I just can't take the trade. So EuroCAD is cooking for tomorrow. Let's shortlist this for tomorrow. EuroCAD. Look at the opportunities we are getting, brother. Look at this. Let, let's tease ourselves by seeing the things which we have missed. Oh, I have predicted this move. I have missed this. Alright, boys, I was so correct. I was so correct in my prediction, man. So correct. I'm teasing myself now. For 41 minutes, we can't take the trade, can we? If this candlestick close like this, holy shit, we literally missed a lot of money, man. But I'm okay. I'm comfortable for this. This is a part of a game. Do we wait for the 30 minute Or do you wait for 30 minutes and 15 minutes at the same time, having the same timer? 1 hour and then 4 hours. Do we wait for the 1 hour candlestick closure, or I mean, this is pumping to the downside. Imagine, man, if we took the trade over here, we could literally up in a profit right now almost 1 to 2 lakhs.
सर तुम्ही कधी फ्री असणार बरं
Wow.
ते मुलाला आणायचं होतं तुमच्याकडे किती वाजता येऊ त्याला घेऊन आणि कुठे ऑफिस
I will wait for the 1 hour
सोनानगर
candle.
हो नाही नाही ते सोनानगर चौक माहिती आहे पण तिथे एक्झॅक्ट कुठं चौकातच आहे का काय नाव
Yeah, I will wait for the.
अच्छा अथर्व का बरं
Oh
हां
my goodness. Oh my.
ओके 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 मग मी संध्याकाळी येते
Oh my god.
हां बरं ओके 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 ठीक आहे चालेल हां बरं 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 हा एक बिस्तबागकडे रस्ता जातो सरळ हां हां
Give me a minute.
हो
I am.
पहिलं हां ओके ओके हां माहिती आहे. हां बरं बरं
Side
ठीक
by
आहे
side video editing is also ongoing.
अथर्व ना
So
ओके
yeah,
मी संध्याकाळी येते मग 7
this
वाजता
thing is beautiful. So I will wait for the 1 hour engulfing candle. That is only it. Else, I mean, that will be the high probable. Just wanted to take the high probable. I don't want to take the low probable. Then the 1 hour engulf 1 hour candlestick close like this. Then we can easily take this trade. Have the tighter stop loss. Take profit is getting huge now, which is kinda good, kinda bad. I mean, I'm not here to make money. I'm here to do the prediction to the perfect manner because this is not my even trade. This is what I am looking into intraday strategy. I have to repeat this because I missed a lot of money right now, but it is what it is. It is what I will. I mean, like in front of everyone, look at my face. It got not good. I'm a professional trader. I must not be getting affected for this. But I have predicted this. I'm not gonna lie. I have predicted these things. So I'll wait for more 37 minutes to candlestick closer. Until that, we'll look into other currencies. That do we have any opportunity to have the trading today? Eurocat. I'll wait for this and then this blue candle. Once this candlestick close, then I want blue candle and then we can take the trade to the upside. GBP NZD. This is done this is done this is going to go down, is it? We'll see. I want two candles like this over here. I want lower high to get created, but then it doesn't look good on lower time frame. It looks like it is going to come up because the price action is not, is like, yo, I'm taking my turn up. How about weekly? Oh my god, this is going to go down. We do have the engulfing candle, that is a representation of your, I'm going to go down. We do have the retracement, fair value gap thing is also remaining bit, but we are going to push to the downside, that is there. I just wanted to have the lower high to get created, weak into EMA lower high. Yeah, this looks good, but once that lower high created, that will define every single thing. 1 hour and 30 minutes as well. Look at this, it's not good. I want this blue candle lower high, and then red candle, and then there we can take the trade. Not now. Right now it is taking the stop losses of all of you. You know what? Now I know this is going to go down. I just know this is going to go down. But I am just not liking. You know what? I just don't want to see that, because if I don't like, I don't like USD CAD. Can we play around with the USD CAD? It is going to create a doji candle and then it is going to go up. Tomorrow it's a beautiful trade in this USD CAD, whatever it is. I want like this. You know what is going to happen? This candlestick is going to create the red candle, and the next day it is going to break like this and then retrace. And over here we are going to take the buy trade and push to the upside. That this is going to happen. Now this coming down and going up is the creation of the doji candlestick on the what it is daily. Look at that. That coming down is going to weaken to the daily EMA. This is so high probable, and the next day it is going to go up. Weekly is, I mean, this is going to go up, brother. If I know, you saw my skills in front of every single one. USD CAD shortlisted. What I want is daily doji for us to go bullish. That's what I'm waiting for. Second daily doji. What the fuck these songs are? What NZD? What NZD, huh? This is going to go down, this is going to go down, this is going to go down. I don't like this currency. Oh, NZD CAD looks good. How about this? And this is going to push to downside, man. We can we can take the trade temporary basis. Oh, this is high, this is low, high, and now it is going to come weak into the EMA. It's created a like beautiful things. It is going to come up till here at least, so we can take the opportunity. Once this candlestick close like this, then we can have the selling once week into this, and we can go down. But the only thing which I don't like is 30-minute is bullish. I just lost the interest. And once 15-minute got bearish, that's true, but once 30-minute will get bearish, then our take profit and stop loss, I don't think so it is going to match. Once this candlestick close like this, then like this, the stop loss is going to be somewhere down here, and then take profit doesn't even make sense. But now, I mean, we're going to miss a lot of amount of money over here. We can sell it right now. We can sell it right now, but that will be a low confirmation. And whenever I say when a low confirmation, that trade actually goes into profit like anything. It is what it is. I just don't want to mess up. Don't want to mess up. So yeah, these are the currencies which I am looking today for intraday, and this is for swing. Odd USD. Wait a minute. We are heading towards our reason to take the buy trade. I want this 4 hours candlestick closure on the EMA. Then I can able to take the trade, which is actually going to happen within some couple of minutes. But the price action is not looking good. It is going to create the sideways over here, and then it is going to go up. You saw my skills. That is why I'm going to charge $100 million for the skills, which no one does. You know. Okay, we're getting cooked in this currency. GBP CAD. Oh my god. I think so. We're gonna have to take the break again.
It's
Ooh,
12 o'clock.
we came back or what? Oh, we came back again. We. Oh my god, this is going to go down. Should I sell it? This thing is going to go down. I just can't. I mean, my hands are tight right now. This thing is going to come up till here. Not 100%, 1,200%. Now I said this. Now I said this. Okay, it is going to come down. It is going to come down. You will see my skills playing around. 100,000%. It is going to come down. Now it has created the Marubozu candle. So it has to come up, create the little bit wick to the upside, and then it is going to push it downside. It just can't push it downside right now. And look at my skills. We literally come up over here for our entry. For our entry. Whatever. See what I said. It is going to come up, create the wick to the upside for this Marubozu candle. Look at that. And now it is going to push to the downside. Now it is ready to go down. 30 minute and the 1 hour. Look at. Should I take this trade? I feel like, because now it's the time. Yeah. Let's take this trade. Let's take this trade, man. This is a stop loss. We 1.8, 1.8 plus. Let's add 4 quickly. 4.8, right? 5.8. Nah, this is getting bigger. Let's keep the stop loss over here. The stop losses make sense. 15 minute. Yeah, makes sense. 30 minute. Makes sense. Okay. So I'm taking the sell trade. Now I have to calculate the. God damn it. I hate this. I hate this, man. I'm gonna have to log in. I hope this login instantly. And now I have to calculate the lot size, which is not good. It is. I mean, I think so. We'll be missing this trade again. New rewards. Calculator. What it is? Profit loss calculator. GBP CAD, right? GBP CAD. Sell trade. Entry. Holy shit, it's not good. It is pumping down that. No. Oh. Let's keep this entry over here. I don't think so it is going to come up, but still we'll keep it. Because I know this is going to happen. This is the entry, this is the stop loss. This is the stop loss. Now we have to calculate the lot size. 34, what? Are you kidding me or what? Calculator. So what it is? 1 multiplied by 7 plus 34, 41. That makes sense. Okay. We can take the trade right now. Are you ready, guys? What is GBP CAD, right? GBP CAD. It looks beautiful. GBP CAD. Oh wait, GBP CAD. I'm going all in. GBP CAD new order. One lot says I'm selling 1.00 enter. I just enter into this. Oh my god. I need to keep the stop loss quicker as fast as possible. Oh shit. We not looking good. Oh, we back to the stop loss. I hate the stop loss. I hate the stop in front of you guys. I hate the stop loss. Oops. Where today's was trade? Today's trade. Yeah, $34 we lost. Exactly what we said. $34. Yeah, $41.59 we lost right now. हो गया समाधान हो गया समाधान हो गया okay just give me a second and now video editing is ongoing yeah हो गया क्या समाधान yeah we done the last right now in front of you all guys alright that is why I'm waiting that is why I was waiting for 1 hour engulfing candle I mean this still looks good you know still looks good I mean literally this looks good right now as well how about 1 hour 1 minute this still looks good for 8 minutes it's going nowhere it is going to touch it is going to close like this candlestick is going to go down I know this is going to go down I certainly know this is going to go down this 1 hour wow man this looks beautiful can I see the seconds time because I literally wanted to I can go deep into this because this thing is going to go down man you know what let's stop I know this is going to go down man look at the price action man this is created the week to the upside now it is going to create the candle to the downside I know this I certainly know this I took the sell over here and it just pumped to the upside hit my stop loss and now it is heading towards downside it is got the liquidity crap okay let's turn the rejection to the EMA this is beautiful man this is so beautiful like anything you guys can see my thought process you guys can see every single thing now this is what intraday looks like the intraday you know what once this candlestick close below this candle then we are going in again this is stop loss we'll add one more for 5.3 I'm getting ready again copy now this is not the revenge trade okay I just wanted to confirm this is not a revenge trade this is just the 38 0.7 0.9 34 9 0.898 30 yeah looks good so once this candlestick close below then we are going to take the trade we just can't take the trade or I know this is going to go down I just have to figure out how I can get into it for 5 minutes it is going nowhere and after 5 minutes it is going to get bearish and after getting bearish then it is going to go down easily so I will just keep the trigger in front of me GBP CAD, new order. Stop loss. Oi! I accidentally placed this. I accidentally placed this trade. Accidentally, like my finger just touched over here. It's not good. The candlestick haven't closed below, brother. Shit. Shit happened. This should be not good. This is not good. This is not good. But yeah, I know this is going to go down. We can increase the stop loss. No, I can't even increase the stop loss. Jeez. Tish. This is going to go down. I know this is going to go down. But the thing is the stop loss. Stop loss. But see, the candlestick is getting closer on the below side. I accidentally got placed this trade. This is not good. But now we should be taking the trade within 35 seconds. Now we should be taking the entry. I'm just adding the stop loss just for a reason. Any spike happens, anything. I'm just added the stop loss. I hope the spirit will not kill my stop loss. Nah, it will not kill the stop loss. So I'm into this trade. Ooh, baby. Spread is going to kill our stop loss. Spread is not good thing. So I should be increasing the stop loss a bit. Yeah, now it is going to go down. I just don't want to get sprayed out. That is why I don't like, intraday, because the spread is taking our stop losses like anything. This is going to pump down. 3, 2, 1. Pump. You should pump down. Oh shit, this is taking my stop loss again. Taking my stop loss again. $30 loss. Okay. Now this is going mad. This is going mad. But this is going to go down. That is there. It's taking the liquidity right now. Okay, for 3 minutes it's going nowhere. Right now our current loss is $32, $33. I just don't want to get sprayed out and then go to downside. This is going to go down. This is getting weird now. Holy shit. जब ट्रेड लेना चाहिए तब नहीं लिया and अब ले रहा हूँ. But it is what it is. I don't give a flying fuck. No, I'm not going to throw this. I don't care if I do loss. Okay. That's my practice money. That's a practice money. Okay. I want to blow that account. Okay. So that is a practice money. I just don't care. Let's for next 1 minute is not going to go anywhere. After this 1 minute thing, then it is going to push the downside. You don't believe in me? Believe in me. Because I know this is going to happen. Now it is going to little bit come up and then it is going to push to downside. Pass. ऐसे होने वाला है. We've done the liquidity grab, we've done every single thing, we've done the EMA thing, and now it is going to go down. Now the intraday thing, I like it, but we delete this lines. It's not good. Now the way I'm looking into charts, it's really not good. This thing doesn't look good. This thing doesn't look good. All right, fuck it. I know this is going to go down. Like this price action, I have 1000% that it is going to go down. The thing is when it is going to go down. That is only the reason I was waiting for this 1 hour in candlestick close. Then it was the high probability to take the trade. Now I haven't waited for the 1 hour 1 hour candlestick close. That is the reason it becomes a low probability trade. The way like we have hit our stop loss, the way things got messed up, the way things got messed up. That's what we can say. So that is the reason we should always wait for the candlestick closer. So now I took the trade just because of I know this is going to happen. So you should not take the trade because I'm up for the risks. I'm up for the risk is what is going to happen. Okay. So yeah, it is pretty much it. If we hit our take profit, we'll record the loss what we have done the loss earlier, and also we'll record loss. We'll completely recover every single thing. So now it is pushing the downside. I know this is going to happen. Oh my god. I can see certainly it is going to pump to the downside. It is going to do this. I must have cigar right now. No, of course not. Now it has created the Marubuzu candle. It is not likely to go down. It has to come up and then it is going to go down. Very likely. So I just don't give a flying fuck about this. I'm literally I came on the laptop just to do the analysis and I ending up live trading. Look at this again. We kinda missing the trade or what? This kind of look like this is what I'm saying, brother. Once we candlestick close below, then it is going to go down. Just look at this. This thing is see, I just don't want to make money right now. I just wanted to do the predictions to perfections. So I'm waiting for the 4 hours candlestick closer. Once that happens, then we'll be looking into take the trade to the downside. It's pretty much it. GBP CAD, yo, give me the stop loss, give me the stop loss, give me the stop loss. Don't make me money. The way this candlestick close, wow, this is going to pump to the downside. And the NZDUSD, odd CAD. What are we waiting for now, odd CAD? 30-minute candlestick close. Nah, haven't happened the way I want. Haven't happened the way I want. Haven't happened the way I want. Odd USD. Oh my goodness. Now we are cooking in the odd USD. Look at this. So now for how much 3 hours and 12 minutes it is going to do nothing. It is just going to come up and come up till here and it's just going to mess around. We could end up taking the trade at 15:30. No, not instantly. I want 15 minute. I want 1 hour. I want 30 minute. I want this all time frame to go bullish. Okay, so it is not going to stick over here. It is going to come down. The EMA is also going to come down and it is going to go up. EMA is going to come down and then it is going to push us upside. You'll be like, what? What is said right now? I don't understand. You will understand when it will happen. I will show you. Alright, boys. GBP CAD, let's get messed up. Oh, stop loss. Stop loss is going to get hit, brother. That is the only reason I was waiting for 1 hour engulfing candle. I think we hit the stop loss. Spread is going to kill our stop loss. Yeah. असंच झालं. 36, 37, 38. Look at this. That is the only reason. Oh, it pumped to downside, but it is not showing you. That is the only reason we should be waiting for the 1 hour engulfing candle. 1 hour candlestick closer. That is the only reason. Because taking the trade right now is the very low probable. It's not good, But I'm okay for the risks which I'm taking forward for. So yeah, it's so close for the having the stop loss hit. Look at this. Like this is the intraday trades, and our stop loss and entry is having The spread is taking 90% of the space. This thing is really not good, intraday things. How people are managing this intraday things? Spread is like taking a whole over the place. Again, if I do stop loss over here, I'm completely fine. At least I gotta say that. Okay, I gonna have to say this because I am completely fine about this. Now you can see the changes in reaction. But it is what it is, brother. It is what it is. I just don't give a damn flying about this. So, but look at this. Hold on. What I will do, I will just increase the brightness so that you can see. Uh, Look at this. Wait, let me check. Can you see? No. Let's do the darkness because I want to show you this intraday thing is. I don't think so. It is good because this is the. I think so. Yeah. This upper dotted line is the stop loss. This is the entry, and this is the spread. So when we took the entry, our stop loss is having almost 70% to get it. So in this scenario, how in the world we can get profitable? And in swing trading, this thing is get solved. In swing trading, we took the stop loss so big. That is the reason we have the very high probability. Now our stop loss is about to hit it. About to get it. Look at that. 3, 2, we can see, yeah, $44, $45 loss. Exactly. You know what? Yeah, stop loss got hit. We overall we are down minus $88. Look at this. Look at that. We're down minus $88. It is what it is. Now this is the proof that my prediction is not working now. That is the only reason I was waiting for the 1 hour angle, 1 hour candlestick closure. Now you got it. At least I got it after I done this stop losses. 2 stop losses. Beautiful, beautiful. So my prediction was correct. It was going to come down. It came down. Then it gone up. So now, I like this intraday things. Okay. No, I like this intraday things, but the stop loss and the spread is having a lot. What I want to say is, I will explain you. Hold on. Oops. See, I'm okay after I do the 2 losses. I'm completely okay. You know why? Because that's a practitioner money. I was accepting that we are going to do the loss. Alright. So I'm completely okay with this. And see, I took the sell trade, right? This was the entry, this was the stop loss, and this was this. So when we took the entry right there, this was our entry. This was our entry price. And this was the spread. Literally. Like entry and spread like this. Spread means if this price come up, this price comes up and stop loss it. So we literally give the almost actual stop loss like a 20 pip, but we just give 5 pip stop loss room. And if we increase our stop loss, if we increase our stop loss, then we have to increase our take profit, okay, which is not good, because if we increase our take profit, then it is not going to come up in the intraday, because in intraday, if we're taking the sell trade over here, then our take profit should be over here, right? But just because we increase the stop loss to avoid the spread thing, we're gonna have to increase the take profit to make sense. So hitting the take profit probability got low because from over here the reaction is going to come up, right? And hitting the stop loss just because this is fucking not good. Thank God I did the loss, man. That thing right there have explained me like anything. The video editing is ongoing. That thing right there have explained me right anything. So I don't know, man. Am I going to continue this intraday thing just because the spread is not good? I just don't like the spread. In intraday, we just capture a small move. I'm very much good in that, but I want something which is going to, like, man, man. Look at this. I just pumping to downside. Bullshit, motherfucker. Look at this. I just, I'm just okay for losing this. I am okay. I'm okay. And this is what we miss. So now what? Just give me a second. Should I continue to do this intraday thing? Should I continue to do this? I know this is going to go down. Okay, I certainly know this. This is going to get filled. This is going to get filled like this. I know this. Okay. The thing is, when, and it is going to fill now. All right. Uh. So the intraday is bit tricky because of the spreads. If we get the what it is, if we get the solution for the spreads, then we can be able to like take the trades very high amount, very high probability. That's because of the spread thing. This lesson is good, man. I love the lesson which I learned. The spread. All right. Audio SD is only the thing which we have right now. It is going nowhere until we have this candlestick closer. Charge the chat GPT, man. Spread. Spread, huh? Spread is not good. That is why the intraday, just because of spreads, we're getting a lot of stop losses hits, and when we make money, we make less money because of 1:2. I keep on entering, it is not going. That is why the swing trading is more profitable than day trading. That's because of spread. I feel like now, yeah. The intraday have the fucking big spreads. When I enter, I will just show him this image. Yeah. Like this doesn't even make sense, Brother, I learned a lesson. ENTER when I enter into the trade is equals to black line. When I the spread is what is yellow line? Yellow line. That means I am already having the I'm already having the what it is 80% stop loss area got consumed. So percentage of getting losses is very high. Am I right? Yeah, you are reading that 100% correct and frustrating is justified. Let me break it down. Look at this. Like this is the framework of ACA: acknowledge, compliment, and asks or give. To acknowledge. This is what like I have learned from this business lecture. What actually happening? Your chart explain black line, intraday GPS trade is used. Results by the time you trade upon 70% is already eaten. RR ratio destroyed even a in terms of statistical losses. So yes, probability of loss shoots up massively even if the direction is right. This is not your problem. This is structure plus broker plus timing problem. Why intraday spreads are killing you, especially GBP pairs, low liquidity windows, Asia and others. Prop firms widen spreads intentionally on lower time frame. Small SL is smaller spread is because you use small. Spread doesn't change. Your SL gets smaller. You die faster. Mm-hmm. If spread is 20 to 25% of stop loss, the trade is mathematically garbage no matter how good the setup is. Entering with a negative expectancy from second zero. What pro traders do instead is what I stopped intraday on GB pairs. Okay, especially GB JPY. Oh, there, these are not scalping instrument on prop firms. Okay, use higher time frames. That is big. That is what I'm using. No problem. Spread filter non-negotiable. No trade. Stop loss 20. Okay, okay. Trade only. High liquidization. This. Choose spread friendly pairs. Euro USD. USD not USD. Oh, not GBP cross. So these are the currencies which have the low spreads which we can use for our trading. Hard but honest conclusion: you are not losing because bad analysis. You're losing because spread is front running your stop losses. In this case, our prediction got wrong. Yeah, in this case, our prediction got wrong. This is very low probable it is going to happen. This is very high probable that it was going to close below. Look at that. This is like a weirdest pattern ever I ever saw. The weirdest. Because whenever wick is getting created, it is going to get filled. If I were waiting for the 1 hour candlestick closer, I would literally avoid the loss. But just because of that, I learned this spread thing. I learned that spread thing, man. This is the huge thing I have ever learned. So you may ask, now what? Are we going to stop doing the intraday? Maybe, maybe. But I will do this some type of higher time frame. I was going for 15 minute. What stop loss I have used? Was that 30 minute? Was that 15 minute? Yeah, 15 minute stop loss was the correct stop loss. Yeah, but not having the spreads calculated. Also, my magic number is not calculated over here. So my prediction was correct from here to here, but then it came up here and then we got the headshot. That was not Professional behavior. I must be waiting for this 1 hour engulfing candle. Oh, we closed this candle. Now the question is, what we should be doing? The intraday thing is not good. Looks like that because the spread prediction is working to the perfection no matter what. I mean, yes, man. Because look at this. What it is? Yeah, look at this. If my stop loss got hit over here, are we wrong in the higher time frames? 1 hour, daily, 4 hours. We were not wrong on the higher time frame, right? We were just wrong on a lower time frame, and that is what separates the higher time frame trading versus lower time frame trading. I'm understanding a lot, brother. I literally understand a lot because if my stop loss got hits over here, I'm just wrong on a 15 and 30 minute. I'm not wrong in a 1 hour. Ooh, which must be the case. I should be having the stop loss over here, and if a stop loss over here, then the take profit is not make sense. So technically, this was not trade if we are taking the higher time frame in consideration. No, I will think about this and I will get back to you all. That's all. That's all we can say. So signing off. This audio is just getting cooked. I will do the business lecture and yeah, pretty much it is. Peace.